Hey guys, I've got my Valentine's shirt on here. I hope you have a good Valentine's Day. Alright, here is this. So this video is going to be for all of second graders, not just the online learners. This is for your remote day. So make sure you're all paying attention. And if you have more questions, you can always ask your teachers. For those of you who aren't remote learners, already remote learners, when you come back to school next week. Because this is going to be our trickiest lesson that we've had so far here in this chapter. So this is just a warm-up. So I want you to take a couple of seconds and work on these subtraction problems, and then we'll check them. These are pretty easy. You're just subtracting tens and hundreds. So take just a second. So 50 minus 20. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that answer would be 30. 600 minus 400 would be 200. 80 minus 30 would be 50. 900 minus 300, 600. Remember, at any time you can pause the video if you want to try to do some work and then come back and see what I do for the answers. That's wonderful, okay? Because sometimes I go a little fast. It's hard when I don't have kiddos to look at their papers. So 90 minus 40, okay? Same thing that we've been doing. All right, you know there's going to be a 0 in the ones place, and 9 minus 4 would be 50. 700 minus 500 would be 200. 70 minus 60, what'd you get? 10. 800 minus 300 is 500. All right, so that's just warming up because we're going to be regrouping the hundreds and the tens today. So I wanted to make sure on this warm-up that you guys can do some of that subtracting. So as we go over to our purple box, the friends here, we're going to be subtracting. So in this one, 725 minus 349. Well, I can't do 5 minus 9. So they crossed out the 5, crossed out the 2. The 2 becomes a 1, and the 5 becomes a 15. Now I can subtract my 1s, and I get 6. Okay, but then I go to do 1 minus 4, and I still can't do it. So I have to cross out this 1 and cross out this 7. The 7 becomes 6, and this 1 becomes 11. Now I can do 11 minus 4 is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. Obviously, we're going to do a few more, but that is when you have to subtract both, or when you have to regroup both the tens and the hundreds to come up with your answer. That is just a quick little overview. So let's go ahead and actually do it. That way you can get good at it. So 421 minus 138. So I go to my ones. I can't do 1 minus 8. So I cross out. The 2 becomes a 1. The 1 becomes an 11. Well, now I can do 11 minus 8, and that is 3. And I go to do 1 minus 3. Well, more on top or more on the floor? There's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. So, but here's what I have to do. Because I'm working with this 1, this 2 is not an option anymore. I need to cross out my 1 and cross out my 4. 4 becomes 3, and 10 more, this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. All right, guys, so that was another one of those where you had to regroup twice. We still didn't have enough 10, so we had to regroup again. Okay, all right, and number 2, when I look at the ones place, 274 minus 182, when I look at the ones place, 4 minus 2, if I have 4, can I take away 2? Yeah, I can. The answer is 2, so I don't need to regroup there. 7 minus 8. 7 bigger or smaller than 8? Well, it's smaller, so that means there's more on the floor. So I got to go next door, cross out 7, cross out 2. The 2 becomes 1. The 7 becomes 17. All right, go ahead and finish that. 17 minus 8. 1 minus 1. Give you a couple of seconds to come up with that. 17 minus 8 would be 9. 1 minus 1 would be 0. You can put the 0, or we just know that it equals 92. Okay? All right, number 3 is going to be another one of those doozies where we have to regroup 2 times. Okay? But don't get ahead of yourself. Just do one step at a time. Okay? So 6 minus 7, I can't do it, right? Cross out 6, cross out 4. This is normal. You're not doing anything fancy here. The 4 becomes 3, and the 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is, did you get 9? Good. 9. Okay, so next step. I am trying to do 3 take away 6. Well, I can't do it, guys. If I only have 3, I can't take away 6. So the only option is to regroup the hundreds and get 100 and trade it in for 10 tens. Okay? So I cross out my 3 because I'm not working with 3 anymore. And I cross out my 5. My 5 becomes 4. My 3 becomes 13. Just like it would any other time. 1 less, 10 more. 13 minus 6 is now what I do. And that is 7. Good. And then 4 minus 2. And that is 2. 279. Okay? It's really important that you use your most, best, awesome handwriting because when you've got all this extra crossing out, if you're sloppy with it, then you're not going to be able to tell what's going on with these extra crossing out. Okay? All right, number 4 looks like there's no regrouping in number 4. So go ahead and do that. I'll give you a couple seconds here to do number 4. All right, 9 minus 7, what'd you get? 2. 5, take away 5 is 0. And then 8 minus nothing would be 8. 802 is the answer there. Okay, number 5. We're going to do these together because we've got plenty to practice on the next page. So I want to keep doing a few more together. That way you're kind of understanding these two double regrouping ones. So 747 minus 159. 7 minus 9. Well, there's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. Cross out, 1 less, 10 more. 30 and 17 are your new numbers. Do you see that? Okay. All right, so now subtract. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, what did you get? 8. Good. 8 is the answer. So now I got to do 3 minus 5. You can't flip them and do 5 minus 2. That changes your problem. You have to do 3 minus 5, but you can't do it. There is more on the floor. So we have to go next door. So you're going to cross out the 3, cross out the 7. The 7 becomes 6, and the 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. 588 is the answer there. Okay, so I don't want you to get in a hurry and start just crossing everything out because you might not need to regroup all of them. That's why we take it one step at a time. Do the ones, then go to your tens, then if you need to regroup again, you can, and then go to your hundreds. Just like we've been doing. Don't get fancy and try to work ahead and cross things out that you don't need to. Okay, and number 6, 8 minus 0, 938 minus 370, 8 minus 0 is 8. 3, take away 7. Can I do it? No. Cross out the 3, cross out the 9. The 9 becomes 8. The 3 becomes 13, just like normal. Just like normal. And then 13 minus 7 is, I always have, it takes me a little longer to think about minus 7s for some reason. All right, what'd you get? 6. And then 8 minus 3 is 5. 568. Okay, I would like for you guys to pause the video at this point, and I want you to try some of these, okay? Be careful, and if you, at any point, are figuring, like, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to do double crossing out? Come back over and look at this to see, okay? So go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll come back together, and we'll go over these answers, and I'll go a little quicker. So press pause. Go. All right, kiddos, so now that you've got these done, let's do number 7, okay? 342 minus 138. 2 take away 8. Can't do it. Cross out 2, cross out 4. The 4 becomes 3. The 2 becomes 12. 12 take away 8 is 4. 3 take away 3 is 0. I hope that didn't mess you up. And 3 minus 1 is 2. 204 should have been your answer there. If you just did that one, pause the video again. If you did more, I'm going to keep going over them. Okay, 463 minus 281. So 3 take away 1. Can I do it? Is there more on top or more on the floor? More on top? No need to stop. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 take away 8. Can I do that? Nope, there's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. Cross out the 6, cross out the 4. The 4 becomes 3. The 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, what'd you get for that? 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 182 was your answer there. Okay, those are the easy ones. Those are things we've already done. So don't get confused about this new stuff I taught you today and try to mess up the stuff that was easy the other day. Okay? All right, number 9 is one of those doozies. If you haven't done it yet, please pause, do it, and then come back and see what the answer is. Okay? So 855 minus 497. Well, I can't do 5 take away 7. So I cross out 5, cross out 5. This 5 becomes 4. 5 becomes 15. Now I can do 15 take away 7. What did you get for that? I hope you got 8. And then 4 take away 9. Well, there's still more on the floor. So I have to cross out the 4, cross out the 8. The 8 becomes 7. The 4 becomes 14. Some kiddos try to make that 13. They try to make it a 3. You don't need to. You already did your 1 less and made it 4. So here it needs to be 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 358 is your answer there. How you doing so far? I know there's a lot of steps to some of these, but you can do it, okay? All right, number 10, 657 minus 384. Well, 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 8 I can't do, so cross out, cross out. The 6 becomes 5. The 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8. You should have already had this done. If you don't have it done, pause it. 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 273 is the answer for this one. Okay. Just by looking at number 11, I can see that it's going to be a double regrouping one. 521 minus 146. So cross out 1, cross out 2. The 2 becomes 1, the 1 becomes 11. Now I can do 11 minus 6, and that is 5. 1 minus 4 I can't do, so cross out the 1, cross out the 5. The 5 becomes 4, the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. The reason I'm going so fast, guys, first off, I'm about out of time because I can only record for 15 minutes. Second is you should have already done these, and we're just checking over your answers. So pause the video to make sure you get them done, then come back and check your answers. All right, number 12, 758 minus 537. Well, I can do 8 minus 7 because there's more on top, so there's no need to stop. That is 1. 5 minus 3, more on top. That is 2. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 221, no regrouping. Whew, that's an easy one. Breathe. Okay, we're going to have time for one more together. 542 minus 168. Okay, 2 minus 8. Can't do it. Cross out, cross out. The 4 becomes 3. The 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 6. I can't do it. Cross out 3. Cross out 5. 5 becomes 4. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6, I can go ahead and do that. That is 7. 4 minus 1, that is 3. If you are missing a lot of these, please ask a grown-up for help. If you're a normal in-school kid, make sure you let your teachers know when you come back to school that you're missing a lot. Please continue to do these. You can add extra practice on the back, and then there is your assignment that you need to do.